Hello OLED enthusiasts! Are you worried about those pesky screen burn-in issues on your LG OLED TV? Well, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll delve into how to fix LG OLED screen burn and prevent it, ensuring your viewing experience remains vibrant and clear for years to come. Let's get started on preserving the quality of your incredible OLED screen. Before we jump into the solutions, let's briefly understand what screen burn-in is. Screen burn-in, also known as image retention, occurs when static images remain on your screen for extended periods, leading to permanent discoloration. Common culprits include logos, news tickers, and gaming HUDs. While OLED technology offers remarkable picture quality, it's more prone to burn-in than LED screens. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some effective fixes and preventive measures. Step 1. Use the Pixel Refresher. LG OLED TVs come equipped with a handy feature called Pixel Refresher, designed to maintain screen health. Begin by accessing the settings menu on your TV. Navigate to the OLED panel settings and select Pixel Refresher. Running this process once a month can help rectify minor image retention issues and keep your screen in tip-top shape. Just remember, it might take an hour or more to complete, so plan accordingly. Step 2. Utilize Screen Shift. Another built-in solution on LG OLED TVs is the Screen Shift feature. This function subtly shifts pixels, helping to prevent burn-in by reducing the amount of time a static image stays in one place. To enable Screen Shift, go to LG OLED panel settings and turn on the Logo Luminance Adjustment feature, which will automatically dim static logos or channel markers. Step 3. Adjust your viewing habits. To better protect your screen, consider tweaking your daily viewing habits. Reduce brightness and contrast settings to sensible levels, especially when watching channels with static logos or playing games with persistent HUDs. Switching content frequently and using features like screensavers can also prolong your screen's lifespan. And remember, it's always a good idea to turn off the TV when not in use to avoid unnecessary static images. Step 4. Try homemade remedies. If you're dealing with stubborn screen burn-in, some DIY approaches might come in handy. One method is playing videos specifically designed to alleviate burn-in. These videos rapidly change colors and patterns, potentially reducing the intensity of burn-in over time. You can find such videos on popular platforms like YouTube. Step 5. Keep your firmware updated. Manufacturers often release firmware updates that improve screen management features and reduce the risk of burn-in. Regularly check for software updates in your TV's settings menu and ensure your LG OLED TV is running the latest firmware version. This practice can enhance overall TV performance, providing better protection against screen burn-in. There you have it, your comprehensive guide on fixing LG OLED screen burn-in and preventing it. By utilizing the built-in features like Pixel Refresher and Screen Shift, modifying your viewing habits, and keeping your TV's firmware up to date, you can enjoy your LG OLED's stunning visuals without worry. Remember, preventing screen burn-in is all about mindful usage and leveraging the tools available to you. So, keep your screen safe and vibrant and enjoy endless hours of entertainment, peace of mind. Happy viewing.